Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on Snapchat. Let's suppose you've blocked someone on Snapchat and now you want to unblock them. So what you got to do to unblock them is, first of all, go to your Snapchat app, obviously, and after that what we need to do is on the left side of the top corner you would see your profile icon. Click on your profile icon and your profile will show up. Now here what you need to do is click on the setting icon on the top right corner. Once you click on the setting icon, these options will show up. What you need to do is scroll down, and when you scroll down you'll find this menu called account actions, and in the account action menu, if you see the sub menus, there'd be an option called blocked. Now what you need to do is you need to click on this blocked. Once you click on it, you're gonna see all the accounts that you have blocked. So yeah, in my case there are a bunch of accounts. So now if you would see on the right side of each of the account there is a cross icon. If I click on the cross icon, it'll simply remove those accounts from the list of blocked account, and those accounts would be unblocked. So this is how you can unblock anyone on Snapchat. And yeah, I hope this video helped you. Please drop a like, comment if you have any question, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.